Rolling.
Over the last decade or so, I've loved growing this garden, but more importantly, I've loved growing it with you. During this time, we've produced more than 500 videos covering every aspect of growing your own organically and of course in tune with nature, the very best way to do it. I say we because behind every video there's actually a team of us, whether it's script writing, filming, video editing and of course presenting. And together we love coming up with ideas and thinking about how we can grow the community and bring more value to you. And do you know what makes it all worthwhile? Is all of those lovely comments we receive, which we do read and thoroughly enjoy, and it really gives that sense of community that we're after. The channel originally started as a vehicle to promote our garden planner, which has been going for over 18 years now, and I'll link to it down below in case you want to find out a bit more. Always a time for a little plug. But my goodness, have we come a long way since then.
We can do it again if you want.
And now it's just a joy to be covering all aspects of growing and going out to meet other gardeners and growers as well to see how they do things. Between us all, I like to think we bring a bit of joy, inspiration, and maybe even a bit of sanity in an ever-changing world. But you know what really excites me is the coming 10 years and having you on board as well. Now Rosie here keeps a beady eye on the team to make sure we're all doing what we're meant to be doing, don't you darling? And I know she's going to be very excited to have you on board as well. So thank you from Rosie, thank you from me, and thank you for the rest of the team for being a real active part of the GrowVeg family. It's really superb to have your support and we love it. I'll catch you next time.